Hi, my beautiful Charm Squad. This is Raven from Raven's Reviews, and welcome back to my channel. So today is going to be a quick tutorial. Wow, the construction's really going loud out there. I hope that doesn't bother you guys. But today I am using Madam Glam's Flash Reflective gorgeous polishes from last year, a snowy layover, for the most darling flash reflective background. But I have a question. Have you ever done your non-dominant hand and wished you could do detailed nail art, but the shakiness of your dominant hand is just stopping you? Well, have no fear, because the Jelly Stamper hack is here. So y'all, this might be controversial or not usually what you use the stamper for, but instead of using the traditional stamper to stamp, we're still going to stamp, but we're going to do it a little different. I have used the white UV gel paint from Madam Glam, and to keep those lines crisp, I did cure in between just to ensure that those lines stayed perfect and crispy. Now I am just making the most adorable little snowflake, and once she's fully cured, you don't want to do any partial cures because you'll have a wet product. You just flip that on your stamper, and using the tacky inhibition layer already on your nails, you will have the easiest transfer. Now for me, this is a huge game changer because I can do detailed nail art with my dominant hand, but when it comes to my non-dominant, I am shaky. So this is an amazing hack to get perfect nails every time. Please tag me if you try this. I would love to see your creations. If you enjoy these short tutorials, please let me know in the comments down below, and I will be sure to make more of them because I absolutely adore these tips and tricks. And it goes all the way down to the snow dots, y'all. You do not have to faff with the dotting tool and your shaky hand any longer. You just cure, and your own do-it-yourself stickers are here and ready to go. I love you so very much, my Charm Squad, and I can't wait to see you in tomorrow's video. I'm sending you so much love and light, and I hope that you're having the most merry holiday season. Mwah. Sending you so much love and light.